Today I'm going to show you how to get to the online tutor. So when you go to your main dashboard, it will go to your classes and stuff, but to get to this screen, you can either hit the online tutoring button, or if you click on need help, there's a button to get to the tutor. Once you get here, there's a lot of places you can click. You can click get a tutor now, connect to a tutor now. There's multiple spots to get to an actual tutor. Once you've clicked the button, it'll pop up like this and it'll ask what you need help with today. It'll ask you what language you want to use. So you can select your topic, you can select your subject. The grade's not super important, put anything 10 through 12, your high school level classes. And then you can either type in your question or you can attach a file. If you know how to take a screenshot, you can actually attach a file to show exactly what the question looks like. Once you do that, you'll hit connect now and it's going to connect you to a tutor. So once you fill out all the information, just click connect now and it's going to pop up in an entirely new screen where they get you a tutor. So this tutor's not going to know any of your requirements. They won't know when dates are due or anything, but they can help you solve any of the problems. It's an online whiteboard, so they will write stuff down and they'll just chat you. They won't ever talk with you. Once you're done, I'm going to be rude and end the session before even talking to them. Once you're finished, you just hit end session and you can exit the session. So that's how you use the online tutor.